Living in Fort Worth, Texas, offers many benefits, from its rich history to its warm climate. However, homeowners in the area often encounter common issues with their windows and doors due to the city's weather conditions, age of homes, and general wear and tear. Whether it's drafts, sticking doors, or condensation, these problems can lead to higher energy bills and reduced comfort. Here's a look at some of the most frequent window and door problems in Fort Worth homes and how to fix them. Drafty windows and doors problem. If you feel a noticeable draft coming through your windows or doors, it means your home is losing heated or cooled air, which increases energy costs. Drafts are often caused by worn-out weather stripping, gaps, or poor sealing. Solution: check for gaps around your windows and doors by holding a candle or incense stick near the frame on a windy day. If the flame flickers, you likely have an air leak. Replace old weather stripping, use caulk to seal any gaps, and consider installing door sweeps to block air from seeping in underneath doors. Sticking doors and windows problem. Wooden doors and window frames can swell due to Fort Worth's humidity, making them difficult to open and close. Over time, shifting foundations can also cause misalignment. Solution: lightly sand the edges of the door or window that are sticking, and apply a coat of wax or lubricant to help them glide smoothly. If misalignment is an issue, check the hinges and tighten any loose screws. In severe cases, you may need to adjust the frame or replace the door or window entirely. Condensation between window panes problem. If you notice fogging or condensation between the panes of your double-pane windows, it's a sign that the seal has failed, allowing moisture to get trapped. Solution: unfortunately, this issue cannot be easily repaired. The best option is to replace the affected glass panel or upgrade to new energy-efficient windows with a better seal and insulation properties. Broken or cracked glass problem. Whether from hailstorms, accidents, or age-related stress, broken or cracked window glass is a common issue for Fort Worth homeowners. Solution: small cracks can sometimes be repaired using a glass repair kit, but for larger cracks or complete breakage, it's best to replace the pane. If your windows frequently suffer damage, consider upgrading to impact-resistant glass. Rotting wood frame problem. Wooden window and door frames are susceptible to rot due to moisture exposure, especially in older Fort Worth homes. Solution: check for soft, crumbling wood and remove the rotted sections. Use wood filler or epoxy to repair minor damage. If the rot is extensive, replacing the entire frame with a more durable material, such as vinyl or fiberglass, may be necessary. Noisy or squeaky hinges problem. Squeaky doors and windows can be annoying and are usually caused by dry or rusty hinges. Solution: apply a lubricant such as WD-40 or silicone spray to the hinges to reduce friction. If rust is present, clean it off with a wire brush before applying lubricant. Difficult to lock doors and windows problem. If your windows or doors are hard to lock, it could be due to dirt buildup, warping, or misalignment. Solution: clean the locking mechanism thoroughly and apply lubricant to ensure smooth operation. If misalignment is the problem, adjust the strike plate or hinges. For security reasons, replace any locks that are severely worn or damaged. Pest infestation through gaps problem. Small gaps in window and door frames can provide entry points for insects and rodents. Solution: seal any cracks with caulk or weather stripping. For larger gaps, use expanding foam to create a secure barrier against pests. Conclusion: maintaining the windows and doors in your Fort Worth home is essential for energy efficiency, security, and comfort. Regular inspections and prompt repairs can prevent minor issues from turning into major expenses. If you encounter a problem that requires professional help, consider reaching out to a local window and door specialist to ensure a high-quality fix. By staying proactive, you can keep your home in top shape and enjoy a more comfortable living environment.